on, everyone? Here's a quick tip from Precision Music. This one is for any of the producers who are working with another artist or another producer and are sending files back and forth, or if you're sending your project in for mixing. A lot of people would just save their project and then zip that project and send it over, not knowing that a lot of the audio that you may have used in your project and deleted in your arrange window still exists in this folder over here. So this is my project folder for this track, and in the audio files, it's going to contain all the audio samples that I've used. Even the ones that I deleted and aren't actually in my range window, aren't being played and are not being used. So to shrink your file size down a bit and get rid of all that unnecessary and unwanted audio, all you got to do is head over to your browser over here, make sure you're in project, hit edit, select unused. So now it's going to select all of the unused audio files, and as you can see in here, it contains a lot. So it would just be a huge waste of space, and it would be confusing for whoever is trying to view this project when they see this massive amount of audio files that are not even in my song. So once you select this over here, select unused, you're going to want to hit delete, or you could just hit your delete button or backspace button on your keyboard. And all of those unwanted audio files are gone. So now you're only left with what's being used and only what you see within your arrange window.